Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to redeem your Tesla referral money. In previous referral systems with Tesla, you actually redeemed them for points. They gave you a certain amount of points and you would go to a special store where you could redeem those points. Now you're able to go to the actual Tesla shop that anybody can purchase things from and then use that referral money. So we're going to go through that whole process on how to redeem that and show you a few things that I'm going to purchase with my first referral. So I do want to thank all you guys out there that have watched my purchasing a Tesla video and used my referral, because I get to go in and buy some cool Tesla stuff. So thanks again to you guys for using my referral. I will have a link to that referral down in the description if you are looking to purchase a new Tesla. At this point in time, September of 2024, it is actually $1,000 off a Tesla to use my referral. So check that out if you're looking to buy a new Tesla. Alright guys, so on a computer we're going to go to shop.tesla.com and then we're going to go ahead and log in on that site with the same account that you use for your Tesla app that you have that referral money with. And once you're logged in, basically you can start shopping. So you can see that they have all these different things that you can choose from. If you're looking for chargers, they've got that. We'll show you some of those chargers and prices. So wall connectors are $450. So if you had a $500 referral, you could just barely sneak in and get one of these wall connectors. You wouldn't quite have enough for the universal one. But you got the mobile connectors, all that good stuff. And then tons of different accessories for the different models. I went through all of these already to see if there was anything that I wanted to purchase. Half the stuff you could purchase with points in the old referral system, but there is quite a bit more that you couldn't. So you do have a few more options here to purchase. So if you saved up a lot of referral money, you could actually get a whole paint protection film kit. They've got car covers, all kinds of cool stuff. So I went through the apparel thing, so I like to sport some Tesla apparel. So I went through to see what they had, added a couple shirts and some hats. So they've got all kinds of stuff like that, lots of hats. So you can go through all those different things in the shop. Way more stuff than you used to be able to purchase with the point system. I mean, the Cybertruck, the Power Wheels for the kids, and the little four-wheeler, that's kind of cool actually. If I had little kids still, I would definitely be saving up for that. But let's just go ahead and jump in here. I've got all the stuff in my cart already. As you can see over here, 9+ items. So I'm going to just go over here and we're going to check out using our referral cash. So you can see I grabbed a couple things. Got a Model S key band. I'm going to use that for my Model S since it still needs a key. A couple of hats, the beanies, some t-shirts. Got the wife a nice jacket. It's similar to like a Columbia or a North Face type jacket, so pretty nice stuff. So we're at a subtotal of $305 here. So we're going to go ahead and do a checkout. Their site's a little slow today. Maybe it's because I have too many things in my cart. Alright, so it's got phone numbers. You need to put in your shipping address, all that good stuff, where you want it shipped. Alright, we're getting free shipping, but we do have tax. As you can see here, it's got my credit card as the default payment method. So that's where we're going to go in and drop down here. And right here, you see we got Tesla credits as an option here. So we're going to do that. And then you can see right here, it's taking off that amount in Tesla credits, amount due, $0. And all we're going to do is click on the place order here, and then we will just wait for the shipping. It's that simple, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you on the app on the phone here now quick, so you can see it if you plan on doing it through the app, and then you should be good to go for redeeming your referral cash. Alright guys, we're going to go through the app here and show you how to get to the shop and redeem your referral cash through the phone app. So just go to the main screen of your Tesla app, and we're going to go to upgrades, and then basically you can see the different options you have. Installable upgrades, so you could go that route if you have enough cash to do that. I'm not sure about the extended service agreement. We could look at that. That's $1,800. So if you saved up enough cash for that, you also could do that. But we're going to go into accessories just to show you. It's the same stuff that we had on the web. Same idea. Just go through all the different things that they have available and select what you want, and then add it to the cart. So if we go down here to the cart, we'll show you that. See, that's all the same stuff I had on the web browser. Has my address, billing address, shipping address, and then it's the same thing here, guys. You just go right to where it says payment. We'll switch it from the Visa, and then we go to the Tesla credits right there. Just like that. So then it's actually utilizing the credit from your voucher, and as you can see there, it's got everything taken off, $0 due, and then you just place the order. Simple as that. So okay guys, one more thing I was going to show you after you make a purchase. If you want to see how much reward money you have left, just go into your app and then go up to the 3 lines up there, and then you're actually going to click on your account up here in the top. So I'll click on my name, and then you'll see where it shows wallet. Click on the wallet, and then you can see the cards that you have linked, and then the Tesla credits one. So this one right there. So that shows right there that I have $173 remaining on my credit. So just wanted to show you guys that. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in to this video, and also for using my referral code. If you're looking to buy a new Tesla, just check out that referral down below. Save you $1,000. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next video.